Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to you in part 2 of the accounting cycle questions and answers. At the end of the last video, the last question was 42. I'll begin this video with the question number 43. The company's assets, liabilities, owner's equity, these are obligations that are due at the date of the balance sheet and often include the word payable in their title. Of course, payable is an obligation. So, the choice here, the correct choice is liabilities. Liabilities are obligations that have the word payable in their title. Question 44. Accumulated depreciation is a contra account that has a balance, debit or credit or exchange. Of course, accumulated depreciation has a credit balance. The right answer is credit. 45. Charges means transportation expenses revenues. Charges here means expenses. The right answer is expenses. Number 46. Tax payable, prepaid tax, income tax belongs to this accounting period, but we didn't pay till the end of the year. The right answer is tax payable. This is an obligation for our or on our company. The right answer is tax payable. Number 47. Closing entries are journal entries made at the start, mid, end of an accounting period. Of course, closing entries are considered journal entries made at the end of an accounting period. 48. Closing entries transfer the balances of temporary accounts to temporary permanent contra accounts. The right answer here is permanent. Permanent. Number 49. The second step of the accounting period cycle department is to post entries to the ledger accounts. Of course, the second step of the accounting cycle. The right answer is cycle. Question number 50. The drawings have a debit, credit, normal balance. The drawings have a debit balance. The right answer is debit. Number 51. Interest payable has a debit, credit, normal balance. Interest payable here means obligation, liability. So, they have a credit balance. Interest payable has a credit balance. Number 52. The cash flow, income statement, journal entries show us which accounts to be debited and which to be credited. Of course, the right answer here is journal entries. So, the journal entries show us which accounts to be debited and which to be credited. Question number 53. I'd like to pay the bill of 4 in cash. The right answer in cash. In cash. Number 54. I'm going to pay my debt off from a check. The right answer is with a check. Number 55. The totals debit equal of an adjusted trial balance must be equal. Of course, the totals of adjusted trial balance must be equal. The totals is the right answer. Number 56. Capital is a temporary, permanent, empty account. Of course, capital is shown in the balance sheet, so the capital is a permanent account. Number 57. The statement of cash flow, income statement, financial position shows the changes in company's cash during a certain period. The right answer here is the statement of cash flow. Number 58. A business was incorporated on the 1st of January 2017. I want the meaning for the word incorporated. Incorporated means produced, established, built. Of course, a company was incorporated means a company was established. So the right answer here is established. Number 59. All assets, expenses have a debit, credit, strange balance. All liabilities, revenues have a debit, credit, normal balance. Again, all assets, expenses have a debit balance. The right answer here is debit. And all liabilities, revenues have a credit balance. The right answer is credit. Number 60. In cash, accruals, standard basis, revenues are recorded when they are earned, not when the cash is received. And expenses are recorded when they are incurred, not when they are paid. So, in accruals basis, the right answer is accruals. Number 61. Every accounting transaction that a company makes is recorded by using the system of double, single, married entry. Of course, not married or single. The right answer in 61 is double, the system of double entry. Number 62. Adjusted trial balance contains totals, balances, accounting of assets, liabilities, equity, revenues, and expenses. Of course, adjusted trial balance contains balances of assets, liabilities, revenues, and expenses. The right answer is balances. Number 63. The interest payable has a debit, credit, strange balance. Interest payable has a credit balance because the word of payable means an obligation. The word payable means liability. So it has a credit balance. Number 64, to close service revenue account. To close service revenue account, it will be debited and its balance is credited to income summary temporary permanent account. The right answer here is income summary. To close service revenue account, it will be debited and its balance is credited to income summary account. The right answer is income summary. Number 65, to close open copy expenses. They will be credited and their balances are debited to the income summary account. The right answer is to close expenses. The right answer is close. Number 66, double single entry. Double entry means that each financial accounting is recorded with two items. One is debit and the other is credit. The right answer is double entry. Number 67, temporary accounts include assets, liabilities, expenses. Of course, temporary accounts which we have to close at the end of the accounting period. Temporary accounts include expenses and revenues and drawing. So the right answer here is the word expenses. Question number 68. Tax payable, prepaid tax, income tax belongs to this accounting period, but we haven't paid till the end of the accounting period. The right answer is tax payable. Number 69. Drawings are a temporary permanent credit account. Of course, drawings are a temporary account which we should close at the end of the year. The right answer is temporary account. Number 70. To start an accounting cycle, we should analyze and record a financial transaction by using journal, analyzing, posting entries. To start an accounting cycle, we should analyze and record a financial transaction by using journal entries. The right answer is journal entries. Question number 71. Accumulated depreciation, equipment, cash is a contra asset account. Contra asset account. Of course, accumulated depreciation is a contra asset account. For example, fixed assets such as equipment, cars, they have accumulated depreciation as a contra asset. The right answer here is accumulated depreciation. Number 72. Each account has a nature, strange, wise. It can be debit or credit. Of course, each account has a nature. It can be debit or credit. Nature means normal. The nature or the normal of the account may be a debit or the account has a debit account or has a credit balance. Debit balance or credit balance. The right answer for number 72 is nature. The question number 73. The term double entry refers to when you record any financial transaction, you will need at least 1, 2, 3 accounts. The right answer is 2. You need at least 2 accounts to record a financial transaction by the system of double entry. Question number 74. When you get a service on account, the accounts payable, accounts receivable, cash increases. Of course, accounts payable. These are the creditors. The right answer for question number 74 is accounts payable. Question number 75. Some accounts, for example, expenses, always, sometimes, often have a debit balance. Expenses always have a debit balance. The right answer is always. Number 76. Revenues and expenses are temporary, permanent, false accounts. Of course, revenues and expenses are temporary accounts. We have to close at the end of the year. Number 77. Drawings, furniture, bank loan account is considered a temporary account. Of course, drawings account is considered a temporary account. The right answer is drawings. Number 78. We should close all temporary, permanent, balanced accounts at the end of the accounting period by making their balances equal 0. We should close all temporary accounts. The right answer here is temporary. Number 79. We close the drawings, capital, owner's equity when we make their value credit and the capital is debit with the same value. Of course, at the end of the year, we have the capital. This is a permanent account, and the drawings is a temporary account. We close the drawings in the capital. So we close the drawings when we make their value credit and the capital is debit with the same value. The right answer here is drawing. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.